Long-term solo travel begins with mental preparation. Studies show that 78% of successful solo travelers prioritize flexibility and minimalism. Start by listing essentials and visualizing your journey. Include versatile items and research destinations to avoid overpacking. A well-planned mindset reduces stress and ensures a smoother adventure. Airline weight limits range from 7 to 10 kilograms for carry-on luggage, with fees up to $100 for overweight bags. Light packing enhances mobility, especially for seniors. Use a portable scale to stay within limits. Remember, budget airlines enforce stricter policies, so always check regulations before packing. A 10-item capsule wardrobe saves space and weight. Choose quick-dry fabrics in neutral colors for mix-and-match outfits. Include 5 tops, 3 bottoms, and 1 jacket. Merino wool is ideal, odor-resistant and adaptable to climates. Roll clothes to maximize space and minimize wrinkles. Multifunctional items are game changers. A sarong serves as a towel, scarf, or picnic blanket. A spork eliminates utensils. Opt for a microfiber towel, dries 10x faster than cotton, and a headlamp for reading or emergencies. These choices cut weight while adding versatility. Limit tech to a smartphone, compact power bank, 20,000 mAh, and universal adapter. Download offline maps and translation apps. E-readers replace books. A Kindle weighs under 200 grams but holds thousands of titles. Noise-canceling earbuds enhance comfort during transit. A mini first aid kit should include Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and prescribed medications. Travel insurance is non-negotiable. 70% of claims involve medical emergencies. Store digital copies of insurance and prescriptions. A money belt adds security without bulk. Packing cubes compress clothes by 30%, saving space. Use color-coded cubes for categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics. Compression bags are ideal for bulky items. A waterproof pouch protects documents. Organization speeds up unpacking and repacking on the go. A 20-yellow day pack carries daily necessities: collapsible water bottle, snacks, mini umbrella, and a foldable tote. Keep a portable charger and travel-sized sunscreen handy. Lightweight and ergonomic straps prevent strain during long explorations. Reweigh your bag before departure. Remove duplicates or just-in-case items. Research shows 50% of these go unused. Prioritize layers over heavy coats. If over limit, wear bulky items or ship non-essentials ahead. Last-minute edits ensure comfort and compliance. With a streamlined bag, you're ready for adventure. A well-packed loadout boosts confidence. 87% of seniors report enjoying trips more when unburdened by heavy luggage. Embrace the freedom of smart packing and focus on the experiences ahead.